Okay, good day, guys. This is Zone Point FX where we wait, we trap, and we strike. So I want to do another trade recap O2. So I did a trade recap yesterday. So which is O1, this is O2. So how I took the trade. So I'll start from USD card. So on USD card, when I was on the daily, right? When I was on the daily, I noticed that when I was on this current day, price did what? Broke and closed below this previous day low, which tell us that the sell is still continuing. And if the sell is continuing, I was expecting here to be my target, right? I was expecting here to be my target. But the funny thing is that when I was on the chart, price has already do what? Take out these targets already. So I moved down to 12 hours, and I use 12 hours a lot because 12 hours to 12 hours is equals to a 24 hours, like 12 hours is equals to a day. So I focus on the first 12 hours. The first 12 hours, this which is the half day of the 24 hours will tell me what the second 12 hours, which will complete the full day, will do. So now I move to 12 hours. So getting to 12 hours now, sorry guys, little patient, my network. So getting to 12 hours here now. So I saw that this is the 12 hours candle that I capitalize on. I saw that it did what? This previous 12 hours, this current one did what? Break and close below it. Right. So when price break and close below it, I was expecting here to be my what? My next target. So me knowing that I'm still going bearish, I did what? I go to my 4 hours. I go to the 4 hours to check the structure and check for key level on the 4 hours. So getting to 4 hours, I know this is my target, right? And this was the break of the previous 12 hours that can do break and close. So on my target, when I was on the 12 hours, I saw that price did what? Give me a breakout here, which is price gave me a breakout here, which is a good one. And after that breakout, price also did what? Close below, price break and close below Asia low. So price closing and breaking below Asia low, I know my next target should be, and price gave, after price, you see that this London candle that open swept Asia low and break and close below, swept Asia high and break and close below Asia low. So I know my entry should be, since London has swept Asia high and has already do what? Break and close below Asia low. So I know my entry, I should look for my entry inside this London week. You can see that box I mark. I'm not just marking it, I already marked it down. So it was the London week. So I now moved, and I saw this as my CRT formation, a sweep. People that know the CRT, a sweep and a key level. But I did what? I did a key level refinement, which is this 2 hours KLR. I did key level refinement. So I moved down to 2 hours, since the key level I was getting was from the 4 hours. So 2 hours is like opposite to 4 hours. So getting to 2 hours, and I saw this above this 4 hours key level, which is a key level what? Refinement. And I marked it and I put my entry at this 2 hours level, stop loss above it, above the like above the week a little, and my TP was where was this, my TP was this target right here. Don't mind me. I don't know when this, my TP was what? Yeah, this was my TP. My network. Yeah, this was my initial TP that I actually set the limits. But when price was moving after this New York section open, so I consider this New York section to be what? To be another TP. So I was actually watching what the market is doing, and I put my TP around this New York AM launch. That was how I was able to get the entry on USD card, because I know New York AM tapped into the entry, so I know the exit should be what? New York launch because I'm actually looking for what sales. That's how I was able to catch this USD card entry. So let's talk about BTC also. I'll be talking about BTC. This is recap, trading recap O2 day 2, my trading recap day 2. So I'll be doing more of trading recap so that people will be learning from it. So I start from my 12 hours because I already know that it's, well, let's start from the daily. So on this daily, what did we see that price did? Price give us this daily reject daily, right? This daily key level was for yesterday, RIP. So the entry was actually still going to, it did what? Take out this daily target. So price gave us daily reject daily here, and this our previous day candle break and close below this previous day candle here. And so I know my next target should be where? Should be here. So I now move down to 12 hours. Since 12 hours, 12 hours candle is a complete 24 hours move. So I move down to 12 hours. So getting to 12 hours, I checked what is the 12 hours candle doing. So the 12 hours candle gave me a what? A sweep, right? So the 12 hours candle gave me a sweep. So me seeing a sweep, since daily is telling me that here is the target, right? So me seeing a sweep of this 12 hours candle, I know it's probably like a retracement move to maybe tapping into a key level. So I move down towards 4 hours to see the structure on 4 hours. So I didn't know that this 12 hours was kind of giving me a retracement move. Hope you guys understood. This 12 hours swept and closed above. It was trying to give me a retracement move. So I moved down to where? To 4 hours. Hold on, guys. Okay, so now me getting to 4 hours. What did I saw? I on my 4 hours, I do use section. My section Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low, and New York. So getting to 4 hours, I saw that okay, market did what? Has already given me a breakout to the downside, which is fine. And market did what? Swept Asia low, but did not break below Asia low and close below Asia low. So this sweep gave us, means that London should be our liquidity. London section, London high should be our liquidity. And since I already know London high, you can see this is the London high. I mark it as my what? Liquidity. And since I already know London high should be my liquidity, so where is the key level above this London high that price has not used? Some people will have marked this key level, but if we zoom in very well, you can see that London high actually used that key level, so it's not fresh. London high is our liquidity. So the next key level was what? This OC key level. This OC key level was the next key level. So I moved down to 2 hours to see if I can see some possible refinements. So on 2 hours, it was what? It was this type of entry, which is a strong one for me. It was this type of entry. So I did what? I marked it. I marked it. But on this, when I was setting, sometimes if I want to set my limit order, I used to set my limit order like 2 pips below my entry in case, so that I won't have miss entry. And that's what actually happened here. Lead to it has some miss entry. Some people that was actually waiting for this level, they will have a miss entry, but I used to set like 2 pips below or 3 pips below my entry for a miss entry sometimes. So and I'll put my limit order there. So now, me seeing that, I now move towards 1 hour. So getting to 1 hour, I saw this 1 hour FEG, which is aligning with the what? 2 hour skill level. So I strongly believe that level should hold. And I did what? I target the next daily target as my target because that's where I was expecting price to do. And price did what? Actually move a good one ratio 5 RR, which is good one. So let's check on gold too. I took a trade on gold also. How did I took the trade? On gold, I love focusing on my 12 hours on gold. 12 hours, 12 hours candle is equals to 24 hours, a full day. So I love focusing on 12 hours candle most on gold. So on this gold, that's the 3 trade I took today though. So on this gold now, when I was on this gold, I saw that this 12 hours candle, this 12 hours candle, which is the half of 24 hours, did what? Swept and closed, swept a previous day high and closed below that previous day high. So my next target was this previous day low here was my target. So now I now move to what? 4 hours to see what 4 hours is doing. So when I was on the 4 hours, I didn't know this is a what? A sweep that happened on the what? On the 12 hours. So when I was on the 4 hours, I saw that price did not do what? Take out either Asia high or Asia low. Price did not do anything. Price did not take out Asia high or Asia low. So but when London opened, this was the London high and this was the London low. So I was expecting, actually on these 4 hours, I was unable to see a clear entry after the, so I moved straight to 3 hours to see what 3 hours candle was printing for me. So on 3 hours, I was not seeing anything special also. I moved to 2 hours to see what 2 hours candle was printing. So on this 2 hours candle, I enter from this 2 hours candle. And how did I enter from this 2 hours candle? I saw that on this 2 hours candle, price did not take out this long. It's not that on 4 hours, price did not take out London high, but on 2 hours, price take out this London high. And this next candle did what? Tap into this what? This key level here, which I now look for my entry along. I wait for this candle to close, and after the candle close, I look for my sell entry along this week here, along this week that take out the London high as my entry. You can see that's right. So after along that week, I now move to where 1 hour to see what 1 hour is doing. So on the 1 hour, I saw this CRT formation, a sweep, a sweep and a what? A key, a sweep and a key level, a sweep and a key level here on the 1 hour. So that is how I was able to enter this trade on good, and I target this Asia high, which is where my initial target, Asia low, which is where my initial target was, and it's 1:5 RR2, which is a good quality and massive one. So that's how I took my trade to today on my trade today. That's how I was able to take those trades. So have a blessed day ahead of you.